Alright, what is going on everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video what I got going on for you guys is I'm basically just going to be showing you how you all could cop the Jordan 12 royalty taxis. Now this is just another retro on a pair of 12s. I'm not really a fan of 12s, so I'll probably be passing up on these, but I will show you all how you can get them. I got the screen recorded and all that up and ready for you all. And just another thing I want to mention, like the last time I was a fan of 12s was probably, the Jordan 12 Twist, just because it reminded me, of a little bit, with that metallic colorway, it reminded me of the metallic fours a bit. So I like those ones, but we'll just get into this. If you want to check my Instagrams, any of that down below, feel free. Got the 50K giveaway up here if y'all want to go enter in that. Again, we're giving away a pair of off-white dunks. So if you want to go enter, have a chance to enter, then feel free. You can win a pair, any size, whatever it is, whatever one from right here, you can choose if you win the giveaway. All you gotta do is tag 3 friends. Very simple entry instructions, follow some pages, 2 pages actually, just me and Secret Sauce. And yeah, that's everything right there. So subscribe and like for more vids. I'm pretty sure I've already said that, but let's just hop into this. So first things first, y'all can see this one right here. It is actually dropping on November 13th, and it's going to be at 10 a.m. as always, 10 a.m. Eastern time. $190 retail on the shoe, and I do think there is some profit mainly on bigger sizes in the shoes. So if you're just trying to get this one to resell, again, target those 11 plus, those sizes in particular. That'll be kind of your profit, or 10.5 if you're trying to be like, I guess, I usually go for 11 because 10.5 is sometimes a bit difficult to sell. But 11 is usually a pretty easy one to find a buyer for. But overall, again, this is pretty much just identical to the OG taxis. Y'all know what those ones look like. I think that is 2006 and 2012, or it's either 2012 or 13. I might be wrong, so let me know in the comments if I'm wrong on that, but I'm pretty sure these have retroed before in the earlier 2000s and then also in the early 2010s period. So just let me know if I'm wrong on that, because I might be. But this one's also dropping in grade school sizes. I personally would pass up on grade school sizes. The only ones I think are really worth it to go for in like grade school sizing would probably be like 6Y plus, because anything kind of after that or under a 6Y, it's just kind of be higher stock. People are already low balling those ones. Like there's some really selling at retail right now on StockX are pretty much for no profit, which I don't get why people, before a shoe even releases, I don't understand why people would be selling this one for under retail price but getting less than what they pay for. It's so confusing. I don't understand why people do that. But overall, again, just a typical pair of 12s, fairly clean. Hopefully my roommate's good and coughing up a lung or something. But yeah, they're clean. I mean, just not for me. If I was wearing these, it'd probably be pretty interesting. But I can wear whatever shoe I please. It's just this one I'm gonna pass up on. I'm not like a dunk fanboy or anything. It's just like I can't wear 12s. So yeah, aside from that, let's just kind of get into resale on this one. So when you kind of look at what this one is going for, again, all the sizes are reselling. Like all the sizes, you're making profit on them right now. So if you just want to go for any size, feel free. But I feel like as we approach closer to release day, you can kind of see the chart in this one is not rising as much. It is kind of starting to flatten out a little bit. And I think honestly, once we hit release day, it's going to drop pretty significantly. So my resale estimation, again, I think in sizes under 11, I think we might be seeing a near retail, kind of like a 200 to 10 range. Maybe I'll just say 190, because again, it could hit retail. Some of those smaller ones, like a size 8, one that has pretty common stock, one that isn't like a very popular size either, something like that, I think will definitely not do too well. But you look at anything above a 10.5, I mean, look at that, you can see what they're going for. It's great. That's just kind of my resale estimate on the smaller sizes. But on the bigger ones in particular, like 11 plus, I think we'll probably be seeing it around 230, or I'll say 225 to 250, and I'll put a plus in the 250 because I think something like a 12.5, a rare size, will probably be sticking up there. It's higher price that it's probably at right now. It'll probably stay around there. So he needs to get some water or something. I don't know why he keeps coughing, but yeah, aside from that, we'll just kind of hop into the rest of the video right here. So yeah, again, just the basic sneakers details. I'll show you all the drop date real quick just so y'all know I'm being legitimate about that. It is on the 13th, so there you go, 13th, 10 a.m. Don't forget about it. And yeah, I'll just kind of click back on that. But let me show you all a couple of tips I actually personally use on the sneakers app to cop more often. So of course, I've been using these. Y'all saw your boy cop the Strawberry Coughs EA. I've been taking all this advice. The pot Air Maxes I recently copped off sneakers. You just got to target certain sizes. Again, 11.5, 13, 12, 11, 10.5. Some of my favorite sizes to go for, just in that range. Those tend to be the highest stock ones, especially at 12 and 11. Those really tend to be higher stock. But yeah, aside from that, looking at this one, this video I've shown y'all a million times. Just shows you how to make multiple accounts in sneakers. So if you want to learn how to make multiple accounts, it's beneficial, because having like 10 accounts is better than one. I always mention it. I mean, I feel like that's kind of a no-brainer. Being able to enter and draw 10 times versus one. When will you hit more often? having 10 accounts. So that's one thing right there. And also this one right here, just is some basic tips and tricks you can actually use on the app and kind of use to adjust your account to actually hit more often on it. I use these tips and they honestly have helped me out. I do hit fairly often on the app. I think we can all, say that. I hit like, a couple of times a month usually. So I mean, Nike's been doing a lot of drops recently on the Nike app, not on Snkrs, which is kind of interesting, but I'm kind of a fan of it. I don't mind it. So yeah, aside from that, just the basic sneaker tips, videos, apps, anything. If you want to check that, all that information is down there, just showing you again some tips you can use, multiple accounts, how to make it. It's all right there. So also another thing I want to shout out, as always, my guys right here. Since this release is going to be dropping on plenty of foot sites, places like Finish Line, Foot Locker, etc. I also want to give a huge shout out, as always, to my guys at Secret Sauce right here. Their $60 monthly fee and how these guys can help you out. There's tons of ways that they can actually help you, but mainly I'm going to be discussing how they could get you a release off a foot site, since it is what I've mentioned. So let's say you were trying to get this release off Finish Line or Foot Locker. They have this section in their Discord called Tickets. All you got to do to enter in a ticket is just put your shipping and payment info. It'll be in like a Google form.
Tristan.
Come in.
Come on the plane, Tristan.
You're right there.
What's up, Tristan's channel? I'm Jack. I'm the best roommate in this apartment. Thank you guys so much for watching this channel.
You're gonna be in this. you too. You're gonna be in it too, Nick.
Let's go.
Fair price.
But yeah, aside from that, that's how you would just enter in a ticket right there. You got to meet my roommates, but basically you just get a Google form. You just put your shipping payment info. They put it into the bots, cop the releases for you. And then, if it's a paid slot, you just got to pay a little fee after. If it's a free slot, then you just got to, pay them. Well, you don't actually have to pay them anything other than the retail price. And that's really awesome. I've been using the free slots for the PS5s, Pokemon cards. Been taking advantage of a ton of different services they have. So if y'all want to check them out down below, kind of get into their Twitter, Instagram, whatever they got. I still don't know what they got going on there. It's kind of an interesting video, but if you want to, get into the group, kind of learn more about copping shoes, different releases, PS5s, whatever it is, just to make some profit, or just secure some personal pairs, go to their Instagram, wait till they drop invites again. Y'all can check them there, or just follow their Twitter, and just send them a DM, be like, I sent you, be like, yo, Tristan sent me, how can I get in? And that's all y'all can do, really. Right there, that's a pretty simple thing. That's just what I recommend most people do, or just follow their Instagram, kind of keep up on it. Also, don't forget, you guys can always check these articles on link down below, the House of Heat one and also the Sneaker News one. These will just be showing you again like some raffle places y'all can always enter at, so you can see these are dropping. This is why I'm saying the shoe might not do well, is just because it's releasing at, like, you can see how many different foot sites. Like, this isn't going to be very hard to secure. Like, I bet if you downloaded one of these apps, like the Jimmy Jazz app or Champs app, Eastbay app, something like that, I bet you on one of them you could probably secure a size manually off the app. I don't think it'll be that hard. Like hitting an FLX reservation, I think they even now have the ship to me option, so I don't know if that's available yet, but of course you can use that if you want to. So check those out again. Plenty of places, so always feel free to try those. Always feel free to try the raffles too. This is always like a second chance. I always mention it, especially those kind of like short 10-minute raffles. Those are really ideal. Those ones are always kind of the best chances to hit on, just because the least amount of people entering them. And then yeah, this one will be linked to, just again showing you there's plenty of places where this one's dropping, and it's also dropping. I think it already has overseas. Or I don't know if this is an overseas release, but let me know, EU, if you're getting this one at Snkrs, just let me know. I mean, you can see it's pretty much confirmed that this one's releasing on Foot Locker. Look, you got this right here, the date set for the 13th. They're dropping it all the same places. I don't really even need to link this down below, I feel like, so I'm just going to X this out since these show you all the raffles. There's plenty. You have plenty of chances to get this shoe. Do not worry about that. So that's everything I'm going to mention right here. Pretty interesting video, I get it, but, I had some interesting interruptions. Y'all got to meet my roommates, stuff like that. So there you go. It's pretty cool, guys. And then yeah, this is all down below, November 13th, so stay tuned if y'all want a pair. But that's everything I'm gonna mention. Enter in the giveaway if you haven't already. Don't forget, if there is like a fake account going around DMing you saying you've won the giveaway, there's no way for you to have won the giveaway yet. There's like someone that has made a fake account or something under pretty similar to my username, same profile picture, all that, but it's not me. Has like way less followers, and it's like private too, which my account isn't private. So if they DM you saying that you've won the giveaway, just don't trust it. Either I will DM you myself, or Secret Sauce will DM you themselves when the giveaway is over, which is like by the end of November. So just stay tuned for more content. Subscribe, like down below. No like goal, none of that, but as many as possible. That's what we always say. So if you have any questions, anything, leave them in the comments. I'll be there to answer. And yeah, I'm gonna end the screen recording. So I'm Tristan. Thank y'all for watching. Hopefully y'all have a good day, because I'm having a good one. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.